Alright guys, so as you can see here, I've been placing some withdrawals on this app and I've been earning lots from this app before. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make money by answering simple questions on a simple application. So before we get started, I would like to please subscribe if you're interested in more money making content. So without wasting much of your time, the name of the app is Real Research and the link is in the description box. So I've been using this app since it's been more than a year now, and I've actually made over $400 from it because they pay in cryptocurrency for answering questions, and the price of the cryptocurrency was actually high then, but the price is a bit low now, but it is still profitable to join as you are basically answering questions, answering surveys, and you're getting paid for it. And it's actually very simple to do. So once you download from the link in the description box, just register. Then first of all, before you are allowed to answer, as you can see, these are questions. You can get paid like up to $0.5 or even $1 per question you answer. So before you'll be allowed to answer questions, you have to first click on this top right side, then click on this KYC. Sorry, this is my KYC place. I've completed mine to level 9. You just have to answer some simple questions. You don't need to verify your ID or anything like that, but you need to get to at least level 3. You need to do level 1, 2, 3 to be able to answer questions. So immediately you register, just make sure you do that to clear those ones out. So as you can see here, for this one, this is how to do it. As you can see, they will pay you 2 ABBC coins. I'll be showing you how to withdraw also. So they'll be showing you to pay you 2 ABBC coins for this one. And if you go to our browser now, ABBC coin, one ABBC coin is around $0.12, which means they're paying you about 100 naira and 150 for this, 150 naira for this question. That's $0.24 for this question. So basically, how to do it, you just click on start. Let's click on start now. So here you just click on start survey. So I agree. So do you take vitamins? So you just answer, but make sure you answer honestly, or else they might eventually get your account banned if you keep answering. Like if you are completing too fast or you keep answering incorrectly, they will eventually limit your account or restrict your account. So why do you take vitamins? So you can just select which one suits you better. So in what form do you consume vitamins? So tablets. So there are only 8 questions in this survey, so as you can see, you can basically complete it in less than 2 minutes. So many think that it's already balanced and there's no need to take vitamins. Do you agree with that? So yeah, somewhat agree. So how many times a year do you usually take vitamin supplements? Let's click on 1 or 6 times a year. So what kind of vitamins you take? Let me just select this one and click on proceed. So don't yet, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw also in this video. So I'll be showing you in the ending of the video how you can actually withdraw and get it into your wallet and actually exchange it for US dollars. So what is the main purpose of taking vitamins? Just okay, last question. So in your opinion, how important is taking vitamins in general? So very important, somewhat important. So just click on that there. So they'll play an ad for you. Just watch it. You can skip this one. Then once this gets to like 5 seconds, this place will become blue, so you can claim your rewards there. So just click on collect rewards. Alright, let's just go back. So let's click on collect rewards. So as you can see, thank you for completing the survey. You'll be able to get your reward after confirming transaction from the network. So you can go back to your wallet now. So now let me just teach you guys how you can actually withdraw. So if you want to withdraw from the app, okay. Yeah, so this is your wallet. So sometimes you get paid in TNC, sometimes you get paid in ABBC, sometimes you get paid in Playfuel. So this is ABBC. Oh, sorry, I've actually not created the wallet before, so you have to create this wallet also. I've not created the ABBC coin wallet. I only have TNC and stuff, so you have to create this ABBC wallet on its own initially. So I'll go ahead and do that later, but first of all, just before you start answering questions, make sure you create those wallets. Then you can go back. So okay, to withdraw, you can just click on the coin you want to withdraw there. Let's just refresh that. I think there are more questions that you can actually answer. Okay, so this one is in TNC, so let me just go to my wallet. So just click on the coin, let's say you have coins that you want to withdraw, so you just click on send here. Let's say I don't have any TNC presently, so but you can just click on send. You want to send and paste your wallet address. Say for TNC, all these coins if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw it directly to Hotbit. Then from there you exchange it to either TRX or BNB or USDT or anything. So this is basically how you can earn money by answering questions. And don't forget to import your wallet first of all. And this one, I think this one is default. This one will be created for you automatically once you register, and this one also. But this one you have to import this one. So I forgot to do that. That's why I wasn't able to claim the songs now. But once I import it, I think you should add it to my balance. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested, only if you're interested in making money online, that's when you should subscribe. If you are not interested in making money online, you can just skip the video and go about your day. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.